What's up, family? This your boy Ivan Hall here. Today I'm on my way to do a little Christmas shopping, and I was thinking as I was going Christmas shopping, I said, well, I want to think about something that I can share with you all that will make. Maybe you can't use it this year, but maybe you can use it next year. A little financial hack that I use every year when I go Christmas shopping and never spend money. Now, I know a lot of people love to go Christmas shopping and not spend money, but I've been doing this for like maybe about the last 4 or 5 years, I believe. And it just works. It just works. So today I'm coming to you all as the Credit King. Okay? And this is I know we can't get financial advice, which is crazy because they don't give it in school, but I'm going to give it to you all and let the chips fall where they may. Okay? One of the techniques that I use to never spend money is to stop spending money. When I say stop spending money, I mean the dollar. The dollar right now is the highest form of exchange there is. Okay, let me explain what I'm talking about. If you have credit cards, specifically cashback credit cards, you can technically buy things at a discount. Let me give you an example. One of my credit cards, every time I go get gas, I get 5% back. Okay? So imagine if I went to the gas station and I got $100 worth of gas. If I paid for it with cash, it would cost me $100. If I pay for it with my credit card, it's only going to cost me $95 because my credit card allows me to get 5% back in rewards. So by using my credit card and paying it off within the month so the interest won't come up, technically I am saving money every time I go to the pump. So that's the basic idea of cashback credit cards. You're able to spend money and get money back as you spend it. So you know me, I put everything on steroids. So imagine that you take that same scenario that I just told you, and you apply that to your food. You apply it to bills that you pay every month. You apply it to trips that you take. Everything that I do, I get cash back. So instead of spending dollar bills, I only spend credit cards now. I don't spend cash at all. I really don't even carry it unless I feel like I'm going to give it away. Or that I have a lot of cash because I'm trying to buy something at a real deep discount. You know, say a car that's worth $8,000. If I paid $6,000, I probably can get that same car if I gave them all cash, because that type of cash in bulk, allows you to buy things at a deeper discount. But when you're buying consumer goods, it's best that you use a credit card because you can get money back for buying everyday things that you do. Now, if you take that same technique and then you times it. And what I mean by times it, like not only you're doing your bills, your gas, your food, you're getting rebates on everything that you buy. But if you took your whole family and you say, look, if you're going to get $100 worth of gas, give me the $100 and use my credit card. And then you get 5% back from that. You can really start to snowball this thing. And by the end of the year, like around Christmas time, you'll have money to buy your gifts. So this year, I'm topping out around maybe, I'm gonna say about $1,900, $2,000 in cashback rewards that I have from spending money, you know, through my businesses, paying my bills and things of that nature. It's free money. Because like I say, if I would have paid for what I paid for in dollars, I wouldn't have this cash. But since I use my credit cards and everybody give me cashback rewards, I'm able to save money, and I'm able to have this money and go spend this money at the end of the year and never come out of my pocket when I go Christmas shopping. And I think that's the only way to go Christmas shopping, because too many people go into debt because of Christmas. But this one little hack, the only thing you have to do is stop spending the green dollar, okay? Get your credit together, get your cashback credit card, and everything that you buy, from your food, from your vacations, even paying your bills, you pay it with your credit card. And you get money back from doing that. Because see, the credit card companies, if they charge the merchant every time the credit card is used, and then they sharing part of that reward with you for using the card with you. So that's how they're able to give you money back. So I'm saying, put this technique on steroids, so next year when Christmas come around, you don't have to come out your pocket spending any money to enjoy Christmas. I wish everybody happy holidays. This little credit technique by the Credit King himself. I need all of y'all to get your finances in order, get your credit in order. Go get this money. It's out here, y'all. Come on, man. Let's have a great life. Just by tweaking what we're doing, we can start making a lot of money. Just tweak it. Just a little bit. I love y'all to death. Happy holidays. Later. I'm out.